Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something quite exciting to review: the SongShen USB-C docking station. This docking station is designed to be a powerhouse of connectivity, offering an array of ports and features that cater to a variety of needs. Before we tech reviews, now let's get into it. First things first, let's unbox this docking station and see what's inside. It comes with two cables, a long and thin one for power, 1.2 meters, and a short and thick one for USB 1 meter. Important note, be sure not to mix them up or the docking station won't function properly. If you encounter any issues during use, they recommend reaching out to their customer support first. Looking at the docking station, it's sleek and well built. The build quality feels solid, and it's relatively compact considering the number of ports it packs. Now let's talk about the features that make this docking station stand out. The SongShen Docking Station offers a whopping 17 ports, making it a connectivity beast. It includes two 4K HDMI ports, one 4K DisplayPort, three USB 3.0 ports, one USB 3.1 port, two USB-C ports, Gigabit Ethernet, SD or TF card slot, 3.5 audio, and a 100-watt DC power input. This ensures that you have every port you could possibly need for your daily use. One standout feature is its ability to support a triple monitor setup. Whether you're a content creator or someone who needs a panoramic view of their work, this docking station allows you to extend your screens across three 4K monitors. Windows users can take advantage of MST and SST modes, while macOS users get exclusive support for SST mode. Data transfer is swift with 8 USB ports, 3 supporting speeds up to 10 Gbps, and 4 offering speeds up to 5 Gbps. This is perfect for connecting external storage devices, smartphones, tablets, and more. It's a real boon for those who work with large files. For network connectivity, the docking station comes with a 1000 MPs Ethernet LAN port, ensuring a fast and stable connection. Whether you're working from home or just streaming your favorite content, reliable networking is crucial. When it comes to power, this docking station supports up to 100-watt power input, providing rapid charging for computers, tablets, and smartphones with USB-C ports, including MacBooks. It's not just about connectivity, it's about keeping your devices charged up and ready to go. The SongShen Docking Station is highly compatible, supporting laptops equipped with USB-C ports, covering power delivery, DisplayPort, and data transfer functionalities. So whether you're a MacBook user or on a Windows laptop, seamless integration is guaranteed. In conclusion, the SongShen USB-C docking station is a powerhouse of connectivity. It's sleek, versatile, and brings a level of convenience that's hard to beat. If you're someone who needs a central hub for all your devices, this docking station is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.